If you pay commissions to your staff, let's show you how to create your commissions. They're under management and it's just the second icon. At the top, click New Commission Rate and give it a name here. Active just denotes commissions you currently offer to your staff. Base sales rate is just going to be a commission off of the total sale. So let's say we may offer a 10% either flat rate, which is $10, or a percent off the job. And then upsell rate is going to denote any special incentives you offer to your staff if they go out and convince a customer to add on additional services while that technician is on site. So let's say for upsells, we're going to go ahead and give a 25% bonus and then enter any basic notes about this commission here and click Save. Now you can go into Settings and under Company Info, if you want it to automatically apply your commissions, you can choose here. And also you can go into your employees. And if your individual employees qualify for a commission, you can choose under Options which commissions they qualify for. And then click Save, and you've assigned that commission to that technician.